Mysore Science Foundation has organized the ultimate online workshop, that is Simple Science Experiments at Home, from 10/6/2021 till 27/6/2021. The online workshop by MSF was an innovative program. The 18 days was just like a science carnival. Even though it is a virtual workshop, I conducted all the experiments like a live workshop. Collecting the materials for experiment in such a lockdown period was really a challenge. But I accepted that challenge and collected the materials available for the experiment. 17 days passed like something. Every day I was eagerly and curiously waiting for 6 p.m. Whole day I used to collect the materials and was arranging it on the table, and used to perform the experiments which I could not do in the live session. I am very grateful and thankful to all the resource persons. A big salute for their patience and dedication. A very special thanks to MYSORE Science Foundation, who brought the resource person in the field of maths and science on a single platform. How can I forget thanking two very special persons, that is Manjula ma'am and Santosh sir, who communicated with all the participants, give suitable instruction and moderating each and every session effectively. They also motivate us to participate actively and get involved in making assignments and tasks. Really, this workshop laid good foundation for our learning process and concept building. I witnessed learning by doing and learning with fun, and also learned the concept of low cost, no cost ideas in making science models. I always remember the words repeated by Manjula ma'am, that is, science is wonderful because physics is powerful, chemistry is colorful, and biology is beautiful. I am looking forward and eagerly waiting to participate in future programs of MYSORE Science Foundation. Thank you.